What to do when you feel burnt out in your cleaning business? Feeling burnt out in your cleaning business? Here's how to reset your mindset, protect your peace, and keep building without breaking down. Let's be real. If you're feeling tired, unmotivated, or wondering why you started your cleaning business in the first place, this video is for you. Welcome to my channel. This is Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, and I just want to share that I've been there. That place where every phone call feels like pressure, every task feels heavier than it should, and you start thinking, is it worth it? That's called burnout. And no, it doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. First, you gotta acknowledge the feeling. Burnout doesn't always look like exhaustion. Sometimes it shows up as procrastination or snapping at people who didn't even do anything wrong. You're carrying a lot and trying to be everything for your team, your clients, your family. It's a heavy load. It's a lot when you carry families. And I use this term, when you carry families on your back, then you got to take care of your family and your business. But here's the truth. You can't pour from an empty cup. And if you're burnt out, it's time to reset, not quit. And the second thing you need to do is reset strategies that work. One, start with delegating at least one thing. You don't have to have your hands on the entire business. Just pick one thing that drains you and give it to someone else, like scheduling, walkthroughs, or invoices. And for me, it was payroll. Payroll was so stressful for me. I mean, I'd rather have the whole number than watch the numbers grow. It's stressful to watch. Every time you add a person's payroll, the numbers go, it's stressful. I'd rather have the whole number, know how much money I need versus watching it grow. It stresses me out. So since I've delegated that, I have less stress in my business. So trust me, letting go of just one task can give you a huge mental reset. And then revisit your why. Go back to your vision board if you made one. That first notebook you created. That one night you stayed up with big dreams in your heart. What were you trying to build? Who were you doing this for? When you reconnect with that why, the fire comes back. And then talk to someone who gets it. Surround yourself with other business owners who understand this grind. Somebody you can vent with, get advice, cry if you need to. But don't isolate. Isolation fuels burnout. Connection breaks it. I know this season is tough. I know the pressure is heavy. But listen, this is just a moment, not your final chapter. You didn't start this cleaning business to be average. You started it to build freedom, stability, and something bigger than yourself. So pause if you need to. Take a breath, a deep breath, recalculate, but don't you dare quit, because someone out there is waiting for your breakthrough, and it's closer than you think. So if this hit home for you, drop a comment below. Let me know how you reset when burnout hits you. And don't forget to subscribe, because this channel is here to help you build a business without losing yourself in the process. Please, you got to do resets. That's why I travel when I do, because it gives me a reset, new mindset. And also, you got to take care of your health, because your health is your wealth. And when you got a clear mind because you've been taking care of your body, it makes the stress a lot less. So if this was helpful for you guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.